Hi guys, and welcome to Crazy Baker Unleashed. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to modify a Mini Coupe using a lorry. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Looking at this stunning Mini Coupe in beautiful red and those black alloys, that is stunning with a John Cooper Works kit on it. Now we're stuck in a bit of a jam at the moment and we're travelling down. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. Now just keep your eyes on the right with this truck. That looks a massive container truck against a little coupe. Anytime you go past a truck like that, it is scary. I'm just travelling down now. There then. Well guys, that was seriously scary. Now check out the onlookers. There's always one. And that is how the Mini Coupe ended up. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Believe me, no one got injured in that video, but they were well shook up. Now if you want to see more videos like that guys, do subscribe and do share. And please check out my new Facebook page, Crazy Baker Unleashed. This is a new page for you guys, so you can see what I get up to after I finish work. And I put on anything's gonna go on there, believe me. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!